You may have heard that carbon is the element of life, but what does that mean? An element is defined by the number of protons in the nucleus. Is carbon. How do they form?
The tremendous inward pressure triggers nuclear fusion,
Which is when protons and neutrons smash together and fuse. Many elements, including carbon and larger ones like iron, are made in stars. So what's so special about carbon? These are the ones available for bonding with other atoms, which happens when two atoms share two electrons. And with many different elements. A carbon atom that's bound to 4 other atoms will take on a 3-dimensional shape.
because that's how the electron clouds on the 4 atoms can be as far away from each other as possible.